Inject. To put a drug or other substance into a person's or an animal's body using a syringe. For example, inject something into yourself/somebody/something.
Injection. An act of injecting somebody with a drug or other substance. For example, to give somebody an injection.
Inmate. One of the people living in an institution such as a prison or a psychiatric hospital. For example, the jail has 500 inmates.
Loose. Not securely fixed where it should be, able to become separated from something. For example, a loose button/tooth.
Medical.
Medical. Connected with illness and injury and their treatment. For example, medical care or treatment.
Medication. A drug or another form of medicine that you take to prevent or to treat an illness, treatment involving drugs. For example, are you currently taking any medication?
Medicine.
Medicine. The study and treatment of diseases and injuries. For example, advances in modern medicine. Nurse. A person whose job is to take care of sick or injured people, usually in a hospital. For example, a registered nurse.
Obesity. The quality or fact of being very fat, in a way that is not healthy. For example, obesity can increase the risk of heart disease. Outbreak. The sudden start of something unpleasant, especially violence or a disease. For example, the outbreak of war.
Pain. The feelings that you have in your body when you have been hurt or when you are ill. For example, a cry of pain.
Painful. Causing you pain. For example, is your back still painful?